Today is your exam day. So let me share the screen. Can you see the screen? So within this Microsoft Team app, you have your group and you have this exam channel. Can you see this? Hello. Can you all see this? Is it visible?
Yes, yes, sir.
Yes. So within this exam channel,
Yes, sir.
yes, you have these two folders. So within this question paper, let me upload it. Okay. Let me upload the file. Okay, so within this document or this text file, you will find out one link. You have to open that link. That is the question paper. Okay, and that is for 30 minutes. Okay, the time is 30 minutes, and that is MCQ based question paper. You have to open that link, fill up all the information first, fill up your email, your name, and then go for the exam. 20 questions will be there and you have 30 minutes to complete it. And after that, you will start creating your 3D model. Okay, so you have to create a 3D model. So for that, let me upload it. And this is the 3D model file. I'm going to upload it. Okay, so this is the file. So you have to create a 3D model for this. Am I clear?
Sir, I'm not able to see this.
Can you all see this door elevation? Others, Unmesh,
Yes, sir.
Sainath.
Visible, sir. Yes,
Okay,
sir.
great. So you have to create this. Here you see that within this ellipse, you have to create this as glass panel. So all the properties and all the materials you have to assign. All right. And then you will submit it. After creating the 3D model, you will assign the proper materials. Here you will be assigning glass, here your steel or aluminum. So you will decide what materials will be there. Your wood will be there, steel. So what materials will be there, you will be deciding it and you will be creating it. And for this elliptical part, it will be like
Hello,
this.
hello, sir.
Hello.
Sir,
Yes.
I'm not getting this link on my Microsoft Teams app.
Just a second, let me explain this question.
Oh, okay,
Okay.
okay, sir.
That ellipse you can see that part will be like this 3D model. Okay, so there you need to create this like this. Okay, so make sure you are creating the 3D model properly. All right. So this part you need to create it properly. This elliptical part and this. Okay. All these sections you need to create it properly in the 3D model in AutoCAD, and then you assign materials properly. All right. Okay. So one last thing, that is if you are uh, uh, creating your own material with any image. Okay, suppose you are downloading any image from internet and you are applying it within your material. So you need to upload that image file. Okay, so where you will be uploading it, come to this team. Within your batch Sun, you have this exam channel, and within this you have this answer files, and there you need to create your name folder. Okay, suppose Unmesh.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you can see that I'm creating your folder. So within this answer file, your folder will be there, and within this folder, you have to create exam test. Let me create it. Exam. Okay, just create exam or exam file. Okay, or let me go with submission file. Okay, and there you create within this, you create AutoCAD. Create it, and there you have to submit your file. Okay, and the question paper, I will get it with that link. So that is the online link. Okay, so the question is available within this exam. Can you see this? Within this exam, you have this question paper link. You open it, you download it. Okay, within your desktop, you have to
Hello.
download this.
Sir,
Within your
we
desktop, you have to download this.
hello.
Hello.
Sir, actually, I only see your AutoCAD screen.
Okay, so only AutoCAD screen is visible. Okay, so
Same here, sir. Same here, sir.
okay, so you could have told earlier. So no problem. Let me explain it again. Here you can see that this is exam. This is the exam channel, and here you will find out the two folders. One is question paper, one is answer files. Within this answer file, you have to create one folder by your name, and within that you have to create one folder with this name, practical test submission file, and within that you have to create the name with the software, and there you will submit the practical DWG file, your 3D model. Okay, and here you have this question paper, you have this image file, you have this text file, and within this text file you have that question paper link. You have to download this. Okay, you have to download. Make sure you are downloading it, and then you are getting this link. Paste your link within your browser, and then start for it. Okay, am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so everyone, am I clear? Everyone, any doubt?
No, sir. Clear.
Okay then, so go for it. All right.
Okay, sir. What is the time limit?
Time limit is total 2 hours. So 30 minutes for your MCQ question. 30 minutes for your MCQ question, and 1.5 hour for your practical model. Okay. So you will be submitting it at 11:10. Okay.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
So the final submission time is 11:10. Those who don't have any question, any queries, anything, so they can start.
Sir, we have to start first MCQ, na, and then submit it in coming half an hour.
Yeah, within half an hour you have to submit it. So like your for the MCQ question, the timing is within 9:45 you have to submit it. Otherwise you cannot submit it. So it will be automatically closed. All right. It will be automatically closed. The link will automatically close and you cannot submit it. So within 9:45, you have to click on that submit button. Otherwise, you cannot submit it. And that will not be considered if you don't submit within 9:45. So I'm extending 9:45. OK. And you have to submit this practical model within 11:10. OK, within 11:10 you have to submit it. So go for it. Start your exam.
Hello.
Hello. Yes.
Sir, can you take my? I'm sharing you my screen.
Yeah, sure.
Team screen. Just check.
Go for the exam and then file tab. Go to the file tab. Go to that files. Yes, you have that question paper answer files. So first create your folders within the answer files. Within that answer file, create your folder, new folder. Practical test submission file.
Answer file is. Can I change his name?
OK, you can change it later, no problem.
Okay. Here automatic.
Yeah. Here you cannot see it, you have to download it.
Okay.
OK, if it is visible, so you can copy this. You can copy this. The link is visible, you can see. You can copy and paste it in the browser and go for it. Share me the browser screen as well. Yeah, so put your email address, then go for the name. So I hope everyone have already started because time is ticking, the clock is ticking. Yeah, then start your exam. Okay, then everything is clear. Thank you guys.